Today, November 18, 2025, we at Excel Group of Schools, Tiruvattar, celebrated our Harvest Festival with immense joy and gratitude. 3 months ago, we planted the seeds, nurtured them, and today we are thrilled to reap the yield. The day begins with a traditional tribute to the sun, our ultimate source of energy, acknowledging its role in nurturing our Mother Nature. Here is a glimpse of our experience.
Today, I felt the sweat and toil of our farmers, and I am grateful for the food on my plate.
We started harvesting by cutting the crops, carrying them to a designated spot, and separating the grain. It was hands-on experience, helping us understand the effort that goes into producing organic food.
Harvesting made me realize how precious every grain is. I will never waste food again.
This harvest is a part of our preparation for the upcoming Pongal celebration. As our chairman often says, for one plate of rice, 350 people work tirelessly, from farmers to chefs. This thought fills us with gratitude for every meal.
Working together, we learn teamwork and the joy of sharing harvest.
Through this festival, we aim to instill empathy, observation, and insight, life skills that will stay with our students forever.
I saw how much love and care goes into growing crops. I thank the farmers.
Beating the crops, we felt the strength of our farmers. We salute them.
Today's experience was a reminder that education is about connecting with nature and our roots. At Excel, we believe in learning and enjoying every moment in harmony with nature.
This experience taught me to appreciate every hands and meals that prepared it. I'm learning to connect with nature and value the harvest.
Today I felt the happiness of reaping what we sowed. It is a great feeling.
Harvest Festival showed me the importance of empathy and gratitude towards farmers.
As we conclude, we extend our heartfelt gratitude to all farmers for their tireless efforts. At Excel, our motto, wisdom and riches, resonates with today's experience. We look forward to celebrating Pongal with our harvest. Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan.